You got the sauce, bitch.
Seminar days here in the building. We're at the Cape Town. I don't know the exact name of the venue, right? I don't know the exact name of the venue, but we just arrived in the building. I'm gonna show you everybody who's here. I hope you guys are ready for the action. I'm the only nigga who's wearing his own sauce, you know what I'm saying? I'm the only nigga wearing his own sauce. Everybody else is in their 245 merch. I'm just looking with you guys. I was a little bit late to go collect the shandies, but you understand. Doesn't matter. The fact that the most important thing is that we're here.
Mr. Megs.
Lithuania.
Yes.
Monate. Otis. Are you good, my bro? Wafo, what tea? Oh, yeah, we are Otis. Nice to meet you, gents.
This food is always.
Gents, how's it?
Great. Yourself.
We are awake, gents. Bruce,
Hello,
how are you going, my man?
Good, man. You good?
Guys, away.
I'm good, my man. All right.
How are you, uncle?
Hi.
Nice to
Call me
meet you.
Leon, man.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, my brother. How are you?
I'm good, thanks.
Nice to meet you, my man.
Nice to meet you.
My man,
What is
how's it
problem?
going? Why?
Are you coming or are we coming to get you?
The president of the country, catch me on my live YouTube.
Yes, or Instagram. Oh, you're banned.
I'm bent for 30 days.
Banned for 30
I can't
days?
go live there for 30 days. I don't
You
know
can
why.
just like stuff and post. Can you even post?
Yeah, I can, but I can't go live.
This guy, man. Maiji, how are you?
I'm loving this place. This is your home country.
Brother, what's the time there? What's the time there? Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna start. We're just waiting for everybody to get seated and pull up inside the site. Because some people are outside, some people are still entering, you know what I'm saying? They're still showing proof of registration and stuff like that. Yeah, so we're gonna start soon. I just wanna say a few words before the whole thing commences. I hope you guys can see the TRADE245 team. Everybody is friendly, accommodating, and the hospitality is A1. So guys, don't be intimidated to show up to events thinking that maybe maybe these guys are not going to be they're going to be rude because maybe they're successful traders and stuff like that. You can see, bruh, everybody's just cool. Everybody's in good spirits to meet you guys. So when you come to a city next to you or a city nearby, you best believe you have to show up. You understand? You gotta show up. And we'll definitely show you guys some love. You understand? Today we're in Cape Town. I'm sure there's going to be another seminar soon. I'm going to update the details for that one. But for now, stay tuned and let's see what's up.
Please forgive us. Is it okay with you guys? Yeah? Okay. So, my name is Zico. Z-I-C-C-O. Zico. I'm a business developer here at TRADE245. I'll also be an MC for today. And I just want us to have a lekker time for us to join together nicely and for us to learn also very interesting topics today. You understand? I believe that all of us came to learn how to become better traders, learn from each other as well. And I feel like it will be a very beautiful session. I think for the next 2 or 3 hours. Yeah? Is that okay with you guys? Okay, so before I start, we're officially gonna start. I just wanna say this. I'm a very jolly person, so I like it when we're interacting with each other. I want all of us to be MCs today. You understand? So I want us to talk to each other. Did you greet your neighbor? You didn't greet him. Man, what is this guy's name? I don't know his name. You see? So can we please just do me a favor, man. I know it's kind of a bit uncomfortable. Just greet your neighbor for me, man. Say hi, hi. Just say hi, hi.
Hi, Nick.
Perfect. Thank you so much. So we are officially gonna start now. Okay? So we are today's, I wanna say menu. We're gonna start off with the stuff. They're gonna present to us a few stuff that you guys always ask, maybe even on social media and stuff like it regarding the company. Yeah? When it comes to withdrawals, support, if I have an issue, where do I go to and stuff like that, before we even go to the trading part. Because I believe if we don't get those parts right, we're gonna have problems when we're trading and stuff. Understand? Okay. So on our program today, we want to start off with, let me just see here. We want to start off first with fika. Yeah? So I'm gonna call up a guy now, he's gonna come and explain to you what fika withdrawals. You sure? Yeah. Okay. So we're actually gonna talk about withdrawals actually. Yeah? So I'm gonna call up Mr. Luke. He'll come and explain to us withdrawals. Everyone, please. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon, guys. How's everyone?
Afternoon, my bro.
I do apologize for being late. So today I'm going to speak about withdrawals. I feel like it's the most important thing because it's you guys' profits. But there is some things that you guys don't know when it comes to withdrawals. So the first thing I'm going to do is show you how to make a withdrawal. Firstly, you log into your account, your email address, and your password. Next, this page will pop up as well. You'll see my wallet and deposits. You'll click my wallet and this thing will pop up. Guys, please make sure there's money in your wallet as well. And this will pop up. You have internal account transfer, withdrawals, my bank accounts and your e-wallets. This page will pop up and you click withdrawals. You will see here it's two columns. You will insert in this column, you insert the amount that you want. And please guys, don't put 100k there if you don't have 100k. You click submit. And this page will pop up. This will show your bank account. And very important, if you have an FNB account ending in 123, you need to withdraw to your FNB ending in 123. You can't withdraw to the other accounts, man. It needs to flow, basically, man. Although you'll pick it up and flag the account as well, man. Guys, I'm going to tell you the reasons why we decline your withdrawals. Deposit flag, third party deposit, scalping, bonus, arbitrage, and gap trading. I'm going to explain basically everything to you guys what it means. So deposit flag, like I said earlier on, if you deposit via the FNB ending in 123, you do a draw to the 123. So now I deposit with the Capitec ending in 123, and do a draw to the 123. And make sure that the Capitec account is approved on your profile, man. Otherwise, if it's not, you will flag your account and you need to upload that statement as well, man. That's one of the reasons. A third party deposit, I feel like that's the most important one as well because we get that a lot. So now I have a TRADE245 account and I use Israel's over here. So say now I use Israel's bank account and I deposit from his account into my TRADE245 account. It's not allowed, man. It needs to be in his name. I need to deposit via my account, man. So if that does happen, Because it happens a lot, man. Right, he needs to go to the police station and get an affidavit stating that he will not make a deposit again like that. And we need a copy of his ID. And we need a 3 months bank statement. And on the bank statement, it must show the deposit that he made for 100K, or whatever amount, man. Scalping. Does anyone know what scalping is here? You guys, eh? Listen, so when it comes to scalping, it's not allowed, but to a certain extent. For example, maybe your TV, maybe before the time, you know, we don't mind that. But we don't allow your account will be blocked for 30 business days. Guys, you know what 30 business days is? 2 months. But do you know what is 30 business days?
So I have a question.
Yes, sir.
So if I open trade and it's in the commentary, I close what?
No, it's gonna close, but we're not gonna pay it out.
You can't end the trade is gonna close.
Yes. So listen, guys, 30 business days. You know, guys know what business days is.
Sorry, can I ask the reason for that? Because I'm making money, and when I make money in that specific seconds, I can.
No, we don't allow it, sir.
They ask why.
Just don't allow it.
That's just the rule.
Just the rule, sir. But after the seminar, we can speak, sir.
Explain that 5 minutes.
Sorry?
5 minutes.
5 or more. You need to hold the trade for more than 5 minutes. Basically. Bonus arbitrage. Listen, guys, you can circle this.
Like, what if instance of people who are scalpers? Because there's scalpers, there's also traders.
Scalp traders. It's not allowed. But listen, we can ask questions afterwards as well if you do have questions. Bonus arbitrage. That is when I have two trading accounts on my profile. The one trading account I open up for buy, and the other profile I open up for sell. You understand? It's not allowed, guys. Your account will be blocked for 30 business days. That's Monday to Friday, not Monday, Saturday, or Sunday. Monday to Friday. And your account will be closed, and the management will decide whether to open up your accounts. Gap trading. You hear that, guys? Gap trading. It's not allowed. It's not allowed, man. Gap trading is when, basically, before the market closes, you basically stack it up. And then when the market opens, it opens up with a gap. You're sitting on 120K or 5K or 500 rand. It's not allowed. But if you guys do find a broker that doesn't allow that, let me know, please, man. Because I also want to do it. But your account will be blocked for 30 days. Guys, let's go back to this slide. Guys, it's a fun fact. You guys know how much withdrawals we approved so far from January up until now.
173,000 something.
No, it's 190. 3,321 withdrawals we approved so far. So each day we are approving 1,280 something withdrawals a day. Our withdrawals team, we have the best withdrawals team. They can check for everything. And you guys know the amount in rands that we approved so far. I wish. But it's around over 250 million so far we approved. Listen guys, we don't mind paying up withdrawals. It's not an issue. But just do it the right way. Yeah, I think that's all from my side. You guys have any questions, you can come to me afterwards.
That I always share with people. So with scalping, it takes 5 minutes for your trades to reach the liquidity provider, right? If you do not hold your trades for 5 minutes, it does not get logged by the liquidity provider. So it's almost as if I'm going to iStore, I take 10,000 rand, I put it on the table, and I say, can I please have an iPhone, right? Now I go to the bank, I go fetch the iPhone, you take your money back by the time I get here. Are you still going to get your iPhone? Do Do you get what I'm saying? So that's why I have told you trades for 5 minutes, so that I can be logged with the liquidity provider and actually pick up the trade. Yeah, I hope that answers the
Yes.
question.
Yes.
Ne? Yeah, so I'm from Namibia actually, and I maybe wondering why is this funny looking guy here? Ne? So we actually have an office in Windhoek, ne? TRADE245 office. So now I want to ask someone again, before we continue with support, I want to ask someone quickly. How many offices do we have in Southern Africa of TRADE245? 3, 7. So my bro, what 7? Yes, okay. Just name them for me, please. Cape Town, Windhoek, Durban. Cape Town, Windhoek, Durban. Joburg as well. What size do you want, sir? Large. I'm gonna give you a white, black. Black. Okay. I'm gonna give you a black. So let's go in this one. Yeah? So I told you I'm gonna do this in a very jolly way, you understand? I don't want us to be angry at each other. I know that guy maybe blocks your account once because you scammed him. Let it go, man. Let it go, brother, man. So as I say, we're gonna be very jolly today. If I get angry, I might give someone an account of 3,000, you never know. So let's just do it very nice today. Let's all enjoy, man. I don't want us to be all serious and stuff. Okay? I know it's a very professional thing, but let's all be jolly, man. When you come to Topa, you become family, you understand? You what Forex is. When it was made by Saddam Hussein, when it came here to Africa in the early 1900s and stuff like that. Okay? So it came through the, what is it? Is it King? With a boat something, yeah, but he's gonna come and explain the sticks, man. Okay? I'm gonna call him up now. His name is Tumelo, JPY. Hands for him, please. Hands for him. Oh no, sorry. Please sit down again. Please sit down again. I don't think these people like you, man. I'm gonna call you again. Tumelo, JPY. Thank you, man.
Zoe, beautiful people. It's a mentor, Tumelo JPY here, and okay. So let's start with the basic things, man. What trading is, right? Trading diff is, as far as I'm concerned, there are other individuals that are trading stocks, other individuals that are trading Forex, others are trading indices and everything. But what I want to do is to explain to you guys what trading is. When you say you're a technical trader, I want to change the way you think so that you guys can actually become profitable in everything. So how I define trading, I normally tell people that trading is basically identification of a pattern that occurs within the markets that has a specific win rate, right? A pattern that occurs within the market that has a specific win rate. So a pattern can be your strategy. Some of you guys that are trading SMC, CRT, support and resistance, whatever that you're trading, note that that pattern was developed way before you even started trading. It's proven to be profitable. You are the one who's not profitable. So, with that being said, there are several components that I want us to talk about that build a trader in general, such as your trading psychology. You need a trading psychology. You need your trading skill. You need also your scaling up plan. You also need your risk management plan. And then something that I want you guys to understand today is this. Profitability is not how much we make. It's how consistent are you with implementing your trading system, right? Each and every single individual here, you need to understand this thing. Take trading as a car. A car can move without petrol. So how do you expect yourself to become profitable if you don't have the right mindset?